You know, it's really interesting how healthcare seems to be, well, moving beyond the usual hospital setting more and more.
It really is.
So today we wanted to do a bit of a deep dive into the recent World Hospital at Home Congress. Try and figure out why this whole idea is picking up so much steam.
Yeah. Understand the significance behind it all.
Yeah.
And the latest Congress gives us a really good snapshot.
Okay, so what's the headline? What jumped out from this latest gathering?
Well, the big thing is the sustained growth. You know, some health trends kind of flared up during the pandemic and then fizzled.
Right, they peaked.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But hospital at home, it just keeps climbing. This is the fourth Congress, and they had 730 attendees.
730. Wow.
Yeah, it really says something about the belief in this model, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. That's not a small number. So it's clearly not just a niche idea anymore. And I guess this growth isn't just like in one place.
No, not at all. It's really spreading out globally. That was another key takeaway. This year, you had people coming from places like Greece, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Luxembourg, Sweden, Estonia. Even Pakistan and Japan were new this time.
Huh. So a really diverse group. That definitely paints a picture of worldwide interest.
It does. It shows this isn't just a Western concept. It's being seen as a valuable approach pretty much everywhere.
And does that mean there's also a lot of new thinking? Or is it just more people getting involved with the existing ideas?
Oh, definitely new thinking. You could feel the energy. I mean, look at the call for sessions and abstracts they put out.
Sure.
They were maybe expecting, 35, 40 session proposals. They got 130.
Whoa, okay.
And abstracts. They got 430 submitted.
430?
Yeah, it just shows the field is buzzing. Lots of innovation, loads of new research happening.
That's incredible. What sort of things were popping up in those abstracts? Anything specific?
Well, a lot focused on advancements in tech. Things like remote monitoring, getting smarter, digital health tools, making it safer and more practical to handle complex care at home.
Right, the practicalities. Those numbers really do suggest a field that's, well, very active. Makes you think about the work involved in just putting on the event itself.
Oh, absolutely. You have to give credit to the organizing committee. People like Edith, Zori, Eva, Lilia, Paula, Stephanie, Ziv, Amit, Julia. They apparently worked for a year and a half on this.
A year and a half? Wow.
Yeah, it shows real dedication to building this platform for the community.
So a passionate group behind the scenes. And there's a bigger structure too, right? A sort of guiding committee.
Yes, exactly. The World Hospital at Home Committee. Key people there like Victoria, Manuel, Michael Montalto, Bruce. They play a big part in, well, nurturing the whole community and pushing the model forward.
Okay, so pulling all these threads together, what we're seeing is pretty clear, isn't it?
I think so.
Significant global growth, lots of interest, and it's driven by real effectiveness and ongoing innovation. It's not just talk.
Precisely. The evidence from the Congress points strongly towards hospital at home becoming, a really core part of healthcare delivery, a genuine alternative for many patients.
It really makes you pause and think, doesn't it? What does this all mean for the future, for, your potential interactions with healthcare? Think about getting that hospital-level care, but in your own home. What kind of new possibilities or maybe even new challenges might pop up as this keeps expanding around the world? Something to chew on.